everyone, welcome to The Readers. We know that countries have capitals, but do you know about the city which is called as Christmas capital of the world? Yes, you heard me right. Strasbourg, which is the capital of Grand Eastern region in France, is known as the Christmas capital of the world. This city is home to one of the oldest and most magical Christmas markets in the world. Strasbourg shares its border with Germany, and hence it has a French and German culture. Every year, the Christmas market begins at the end of November and stays till December. During this time, all the buildings in the city will be beautifully decorated. The Christmas market of Strasbourg started in the year 1570. The Great Christmas tree of Strasbourg is the most famous throughout France as it is 30 meter high. The Christmas tree, along with the beautiful decorations hanging from the building, makes the Christmas market look magical. During the Christmas time, we can find people gazing at the Christmas tree and having a stroll across the illuminated city. Thousands of sparkling Christmas lights and decorations, the scent of cinnamon and spices, and the Christmas carols coming in from the churches around gives us a magical feel. Let's now dive into some of the ethereal pictures of the Christmas market and the city of Strasbourg and feel the vibe of Christmas. Here's wishing all of you a Merry Christmas. May your life be filled with joy, laughter, and good health. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us.